Hey guys, we're back here with John, and a while ago he taught you on how to strip wires. So this time from now on, he'll teach you how to make a rat tail splice. So first, all you need is the same items as a while ago for you need in stripping wires, combination and side cutting pliers. So John would really strip wires from and form it in an X position. So there you have this form where you have the copper wire twisted, or for solid wires you need to form an X position, and you have to twist it, but you must hold the bottom part of the pliers using the pliers. So all you have to do is to hold the other X part and twist the splice wire. There you go, twist it. What you're seeing now is John twisting the wires. Until you form a tri-shaped